You're not going to believe this. A massive DJI Air leak just appeared online. And if even half of these rumors are true, DJI might be preparing the most insane drone upgrade we've ever seen. Because this doesn't look like a normal refresh anymore. This looks like DJI is building a drone so powerful, it could completely change aerial filmmaking in 2026. We're talking about possible next-generation AI tracking, a dramatically upgraded camera system, smarter obstacle avoidance, longer flight times, and features that honestly make current drones feel outdated already. But here's the craziest part. One leaked feature could allow the DJI Air to capture cinematic shots in ways we've never seen before on a drone this compact, and creators online are already calling it a potential game changer. So today, we're breaking down every major DJI Air leak, every rumored feature, and why this drone could become the biggest nightmare for DJI's competitors. And trust me, the final leak is absolutely wild, because if DJI actually pulls this off, the drone industry may never look the same again. DJI has always dominated the drone market, but over the last few years, things started getting interesting. The competition became more aggressive, creators demanded smarter features, and expectations became insanely high. People don't just want good image quality anymore. They want cinematic shots, longer flight times, better safety, easier controls, and AI features that almost feel magical. That's where the DJI Air series became so important. The Air lineup always sat perfectly between beginner-friendly drones and expensive professional drones. It gave creators powerful features without forcing them to spend a fortune. And now, according to leaks, DJI wants to push that philosophy even further with the Air 4. The first thing people are talking about is the design. From leaked renders and insider discussions, the DJI Air could feature a more futuristic and aerodynamic body. Some reports suggest DJI is working on improving airflow efficiency while reducing noise levels at the same time. And honestly, if you've ever used drones in public places, you already know how important quieter flight can be. Loud drones instantly grab attention. A quieter drone feels more cinematic, more premium, and honestly more professional. But the real excitement begins with the camera system. According to leaks, DJI may introduce a larger sensor on the Air 4, and if that actually happens, this could become one of the biggest upgrades in Air series history. A larger sensor means better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, cleaner shadows, and more cinematic footage overall. Imagine shooting sunsets, city lights, mountains, beaches, or night scenes with much cleaner detail and less noise. That alone could attract thousands of creators toward the Air instantly. Some rumors even suggest improved HDR video capabilities and better color science. If DJI combines that with advanced stabilization, the footage from this drone could look dangerously close to professional cinema cameras in certain situations. And that's exactly what creators want in 2026. People don't just post simple drone clips anymore. Social media has evolved. YouTube has evolved. Filmmaking has evolved. Everyone wants cinematic storytelling now. And DJI clearly understands that. But things get even crazier when we talk about AI. Leaks suggest DJI could be working on a much smarter subject tracking system. Not just basic ActivaTrack, but next-generation AI tracking capable of predicting movement more accurately. Think about this for a second. Imagine filming a fast-moving car, a cyclist, a runner, or even yourself walking through difficult environments, while the drone intelligently adjusts positioning in real time. No awkward movements, no losing subjects, just smooth cinematic tracking. That could be massive for content creators, because right now, creators want gear that reduces effort while increasing production quality. The easier the drone becomes to operate, the more people can focus on storytelling instead of technical controls. And honestly, that's probably where drone technology is heading next. Not just smarter cameras, but smarter decisions. Now let's talk about obstacle avoidance, because this could become one of the biggest reasons people upgrade. Leaks hint that DJI may significantly improve the obstacle sensing system on the Air 4. Faster detection, smarter route planning, and better low-light obstacle recognition could all be coming. If true, this would make flying dramatically safer for beginners, while also helping professionals capture more aggressive cinematic shots. Imagine flying through forests, mountains, buildings, or narrow spaces with a drone that reacts faster and thinks more intelligently. That changes everything for creators trying to capture dynamic footage. And here's the interesting part. DJI seems to be slowly turning drones into autonomous filmmaking tools. Not fully autonomous yet, obviously, but every new generation gets smarter, more automated, more predictive, more intelligent. The DJI Air 4 could become another huge step toward that future. Now let's discuss battery life, because this is something every drone user cares about. One of the biggest frustrations with drones has always been limited flight time. Nothing kills creativity faster than constantly worrying about battery percentage. But according to rumors, DJI may improve efficiency significantly on the Air 4. Some leaks suggest longer flight times thanks to optimized motors and smarter power management systems. And if DJI actually manages to push flight time noticeably higher while keeping the drone lightweight, that would be a major win. Because longer flights mean more freedom, more shots, more creativity, more exploration, less stress. And honestly, that's what people pay for. Now another rumored feature getting attention is transmission range and signal stability. DJI already dominates this area, but leaks suggest the Air 4 could feature even stronger connectivity with reduced latency and more stable video transmission. For creators filming in difficult environments, that's a huge deal, because smooth live feed quality directly affects confidence while flying. If the signal stays strong and responsive, creators can focus entirely on capturing incredible shots. And speaking of incredible shots, there's growing speculation that DJI may improve vertical shooting modes and social media-focused features even further. And honestly, that makes perfect sense. Short-form content completely changed the creator industry. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, vertical video is now everywhere. DJI understands that millions of creators want fast cinematic content, optimized for mobile platforms. So if the Air 4 becomes more creator-friendly for short-form content, it could explode in popularity. Now let's talk about something controversial. Could the DJI Air 4 become too powerful? That's actually a real concern some people have online. Because if DJI adds too many professional features into the Air series, it starts getting dangerously close to higher-end drones in DJI's own lineup. And that creates an interesting situation. Why would some creators spend more money on premium models if the Air 4 delivers nearly everything they need? That's why many people believe DJI might carefully limit certain features, intentionally to protect its more expensive drones. And honestly, that sounds very possible. Tech companies do this all the time. But even with possible limitations, the Air 4 still sounds incredibly exciting based on current leaks. Now, of course, we need to stay realistic here. These are still leaks and rumors. Nothing is officially confirmed yet. DJI could change features, remove upgrades, or surprise everyone completely before launch. But historically, DJI leaks are often surprisingly accurate. And if even half these rumors turn out to be true, the DJI Air 4 could become one of the most important drones of 2026, especially for creators, especially for filmmakers, especially for travel vloggers. And according to these leaks, DJI might be getting very close to delivering exactly that. But now I want to know what you think. Do these DJI Air 4 leaks actually sound revolutionary? Or is this just another yearly upgrade with smarter marketing? And more importantly, if these rumored features become real, would you actually upgrade to the Air 4? And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications because we'll be covering every new DJI leak, launch, and hidden feature right here on the channel. Trust me, this is only the beginning of what drones are about to become.